Good morning, dear students. Welcome to science class. Today we will start a new chapter, chapter number 16, Management of Natural Resources. In this chapter, we will talk how to manage natural resources and why is it necessary to manage natural resources. However, we have talked about natural resources in one of the previous lessons, but still take a quick review on natural resources as name indicating the resources that we obtain from the nature and useful to mankind. The first thing which come to our mind are water and air. We can't imagine our life without water and air. So, these are the natural resources in which we are totally dependent: water, air, soil, coal, petrol. So, our whole life totally dependent on these resources. So, if the resources are not there on the earth, the life of human being doesn't exist. So, we have to manage or we need to manage these resources for our present and also for our future. As we know that resources are limited, but the needs are not limited, because as the population is continuously growing, so the requirement is larger or unlimited as compared to the resources. So we need to manage these resources for the future. So we use 3 R's to save the environment. The 3 R's to save the environments are reduce, recycle, and reuse. So we can say it 3 R's. Reduce means less use of the resources, means avoiding the wastage of natural resources, as we can save the electricity by switching off unnecessary lights and fans. We can save water by repairing leaky taps. So, these are the ways by which we can reduce the use of resources. Another is reuse. Reuse means using again and again, like the plastic bottles and which we buy, jams, pickles, etc., can be used again and again for storing different things in a kitchen. And third one is recycle, meaning the material like paper and plastic, metals, etc., can be recycled. Instead of manufacturing the fresh plastic and paper, we can recycle these plastic again. And in order to recycle, we first need to segregate our waste, means separation is required, so that the material that can be recycled is not dumped along with other waste. So we use generally different type of dustbins for their different waste, so that they can be easily sent to the paper waste sent to the paper mills for the recycling, the glass waste went to the glass factories for the recycling. So in this way we can recycle the material again. So these are the 3 R's we can say use to save the environment or to save the natural resources. Now the question is arises, why do we need to manage our resources? Again, the same is that because the resources are limited and the demand is unlimited. Because human population increasing at a tremendous rate, due to improvement in healthcare, the demand for all resources is increasing at an exponential rate. So, the management of natural resources requires a long term perspective, so that there will be last for the generation to come and will not merely be exploited to the hilt for short term gains. So, first, the proper management of natural resources consists of judicious use of natural resources and avoiding waste of natural resources. Another is long-term planning for the use of natural resources so that it lasts not only the present but also for the future. And natural resources should be distributed equally for all, means not only the rich person and powerful people benefit from the development, but all the pupils gain the benefit of the natural resources equally. While extracting and using natural resources, we should also plan for the safe disposal of waste so that no damage is caused to the environment. For example, while mining causes pollution because of the large amount of slag which is discarded for every ton of metal extracted. So, suitable or sustainable natural resources management demands that we plan for the safe disposal of these waste too.